This 5-minute solution will show you how to change Siri voice accent on iPhone. So if you're trying to change your Siri voice or Siri voice accent, just follow these simple steps to do it. Open your settings, tap on Siri and search. First of all, you have to select your language. So tap on language. And from this list, select your language. Tap on back. Now tap on Siri voice. And here you will get Siri voice variety. In this variety section, you will get Siri accent.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
And here you will get the voice section. From here, you can change your Siri male or female voice.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.